Hi kids, please turn to page 1 and take a look at the out question. Danny has 3 caps and 2 pairs of shoes. Simon has 4 more caps than Danny does. And we need to find how many caps do they have all together. Okay, in this question, there's an extra information that is not important. Which information is not important? Yes, 2 pairs of shoes. Why? Because in this question, we just need to find the number of caps. So, we don't need the number of shoes. So, we cross out this information. Bye-bye. This information is called noise, which is the information that we can ignore. Okay, from this question, we know that Danny has 3 caps. So we write down 3 here. And Simon has 4 more caps than Danny does. So Simon has 3 plus 4. Because Simon has 4 more caps than Danny does. So 3 plus 4 equals to 7. So Simon has 7 caps. Now we need to find the number of caps they have all together. And we know that Danny has 3 caps and Simon has 7 caps. So the total number of caps will be 3 plus 7. What is the answer? Yes, it's 10. They have 10 caps altogether. Now, please turn to page 2 and take a look at the out question. 5 children buy drinks at swimming pool one day. And the next day, 2 more children buy drink. And we need to find how many children buy drinks in those 2 days. Okay, from the question, how many children buy drinks at the first day? Yes, 5 children. And then the next day, 2 more children buy drinks. So we write down 5 here. And 2 more children buy drinks. So we write down 2 here. Okay, this time, is it an addition or subtraction? Yes, it's addition. So 5 plus 2. What is the answer? Yes, it's 7. And we know that the next day there are 7 children buy drinks at the swimming pool. And now we need to find how many children buy drinks altogether. On the first day, there are 5 children buy drinks. And the next day, there are 7 children buy drinks. So, is it an addition or subtraction? Since we need to find the numbers all together, so it should be addition. Okay, 5 plus 7, what is the answer? Yes, it's 12. So there are 12 children buy drinks in those 2 days. Okay, please turn to page 3 and take a look at the out questions. Okay, look at the number puzzles. This is the number puzzle. And how the lines are shaped around each number. Okay, these line shapes are used in the problem below instead of numbers. For each problem, find the same line shapes in the number puzzle and write those numbers and find the sum. Okay, take a look at the hints. And this shapes is like a flipped L shapes, Which number does this shape represent? Yes, number 4. So how about this one? This is a L shape. Okay, which number is this shape represent? Yes, it's 3. Okay, the next one. This is like a 7. So which number does this shape represent? Yes, it's 1. Okay, the last one, this one. Okay, so this is like inverted L shapes. These shapes represent 5. And then we take a look at the R questions. Okay, the first shapes is like this one. So which number does this shape represent? Yes, it's 4. How about the second one? This is a L shapes. So which number? Yes, is 3. Okay, so 4 plus 3 equals to 7. So the answer is 7. For the rest of the question, you may try it by yourself. Now, please turn to page 5, and in this page, there's a new guest, Mr. Frog. And Mr. Frog can hop, step, or jump. Okay, and then we take a look at the question below. We need to find how far can Mr. Frog go if he hops, steps, and jumps. Okay, let's take a look at the pictures. Every time when Mr. Frog hops, he can go 2 steps. And how about steps? Every time when Mr. Frog steps, he can go 1 step. Every time when Mr. Frog jumps, he can go 3 steps. Okay, let's find how far can Mr. Frog go. 2 plus 1 plus 3. Okay, equals to 6. So he can go 6 steps if he hops, step, and jump. For question 2, you may try it at home and see how far can Mr. Frog go. Okay, kids, please turn to page 7 and take a look at our questions. Amy has 3 fewer red caps than purple caps. Answer the following questions. Okay, question A. If Amy has 7 red caps, how many purple caps does she have? Okay, first of all, we know that Amy has 7 red caps. Then, how can we find the number of purple caps? In the question, we also know that Amy has 3 fewer red caps than purple caps. So, which caps Amy has more? Yes, Amy has more purple caps. So we write down 7 plus 3. What is the answer? Yes, it's 10. So she has 10 purple caps. Okay, and we take a look at question B. If Amy has 7 purple caps, how many caps does she have? Okay, in the question, we know that Amy has 7 purple caps. So we write down 7 here. And we need to find the number of red caps. And we know that the number of purple caps is 3 more than the number of red caps. So 7 minus 3 equals to 4. So she has 4 red caps. And now we need to find the total numbers. Amy has 7 purple caps and 4 red caps. So we write down 7 and 4. Add them together. 7 plus 4 equals to, yes, 11. So she has 11 caps in total. Okay, please turn to page 8 and take a look at our question. There are 7 melons and some bananas. The number of melons is 3 more than the number of bananas. And we need to find how many bananas are there, and also how many fruits are there in all. Okay, from the question, we know that there are 7 melons, so we write down 7 here. And we know that the number of melons is 3 more than the number of bananas. That means the number of banana is less than the number of melons. And there are 7 melons, and put 7 minus 3 equals to 4. Yes. So there are 7 melons and 4 bananas. And we need to find how many fruit are there in all. Okay, so it's so simple. We know that there are 7 melons. So we write down 7 here. And there are 4 bananas. So we write down 4 here. So is it addition or subtraction? We need to find the total number of fruits in all. So it should be addition. 7 plus 4. Okay, you may count the number of melons that I draw on the left hand side, and also the bananas on the right hand side. 7 plus 4 equals to 11. So there are 11 fruits in all. Okay, now we talk about the second R question. Suki went to a wedding party. Wow! In the party, there were 11 people, including 5 adults. And when she counted, there were 3 girls, and also there were 2 male adults. And now we need to find how many female adults were there, and also how many boys were there. Okay, now first of all we try to fill in the box below. So do you know what is the total number of people in the party? Yes, there were 11 people. Next, we try to find the number of children in the party. And we know that there were 11 people in the party. And within those 11 people, there were 5 adults. So the number of children equals to 11 minus 5. So 11 minus 5, what is the answer? Yes, it's 6. There were 6 children in the party. And then we try to find the number of female adults. Okay. In the party, we know that there were how many adults? Yes, there were 5 adults in total. Okay, from the second sentence, we know that there were 2 male adults. So, how can we find the number of female adults? Yes, 5 minus 2. What is the answer? Yes, it's equals to 3. There were 3 female adults. And then we find the number of boys. Okay, at a party, so do you know how many children in total? Yes, it's 6. There were 6 children in the party. And within those 6 children, there were 3 girls. So, how many boys in total? 6 minus 3. 6 minus 3 equals to 3, right? So, there were 3 boys. Okay, in the party, there were 11 people in total. So, there were 6 children in all, including 3 boys and 3 girls. And also, there were 5 adults in all, including 2 male adults and 3 female adults.